Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we're going to be taking this Corvette Z06 to a whole new level with installation of all of these parts. Going to make the car breathe better, going to make the exhaust flow a little bit better, and make it sound that much better. All right, guys, so what we got here is the most beautiful part in this whole collection of parts is the Eventuri intakes. As you can see, they're just gorgeous, beautiful, the carbon fiber. And what the customer has option now to do is not only installing this and hiding it, but we are going to be installing this clear cover. That's going to go in the trunk, so that way, once everything is installed, you are able to see the intakes through, because who wants to hide carbon fiber? Now, with that being said, we're going to be moving on to high flow cats. So these are Fabspeed, which is going to be matted to the Fabspeed exhaust that the vehicle already has. So that's going to be a complete kit. The only thing that's going to be left in this one, essentially, Mike, the only thing left for this will be just the headers, right? But essentially, you know, it's got a complete exhaust there, so it's a cat bag. Then we'll have high flow cats, and then if that's going to make it a little bit better, louder as well. What we have here is 91mm throttle bodies, so we're going to be installing these. Now we're going to go a little bit in depth with these, because from our understanding, when you install these, the car needs to be driven for a few miles, so about 50 to 60 miles, and that way they can get calibrated in. So we will talk more about that. Of course, you have all of your other parts, you have your components for the intakes. That's pretty much it. I mean, not a whole lot, but it's gonna make an improvement. So with that being said, let's just dive into installing the parts. Alrighty, so where are we at right now with the Z06? One thing that we wanted to point out to you is, if you ever want to put these vehicles in service mode and you only need to raise the rear deck lid, you lock the car and then you press and hold that button. I believe it's for like 5 seconds, maybe a little bit more. And what that does, puts the vehicle into service mode, and that rear hatch opens up, giving you access to the engine components right in here. And now basically throttle bodies have just went in. Now we're going to show you what we're working on. Here is going to be the high flow cats. These are super dense, very heavy. These are a little bit lighter. They have some, so these are going to be a little bit more free flowing. So again, thank you to Fabspeed. So that's what we're going to be installing in this vehicle. And once the cats are in, what we're going to do next is we will be able to install the intakes themselves. So the Eventuri intakes are going to go in. They're going to be matted and connected to the throttle bodies here. We're going to install the clear paneling right there. Make sure we cut out the carpeting to the T, so it's going to be beautiful, perfect. Will look like OEM, will look like factory. And that's it. Then button everything up and hopefully get you guys some sound clips of how this car is going to sound. All right, yeah, we're prepping Alexis for a full Expel stealth wrap. But anyways, the Z06 is done. We will jump into all the details after we do a relearn procedure on the throttle bodies. So according to the manufacturer that builds and makes the throttle bodies, we have to heat up the car. We gotta let it run for 3 minutes, just idle for 3 minutes. Then we gotta cut the vehicle off, let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then cycle it again. Then we got to go drive it, hit 50 miles an hour, and come up to a complete stop. And apparently that is the relearn process for this. But let's do a first initial cold start. that's loud. So that was the first initial cold start. Obviously now the valves are, I believe they should be closing down. I can't wait to see or hear how it sounds. So like I said, he's gonna idle the car for about three minutes, then cut it down, let it cool, then do it one more time, and then go out on a drive and get everything completely set. We'll also check for codes and make sure everything's good. Then we'll give you the final shots of everything and try to get you some sound clips. I hope you enjoy this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Z06 all finished up. Mike had just come back from doing a test drive, relearning the throttle bodies. But take a look at this. You can't make this stuff up. So this week, it's Hot Rod Week at our shop. We have yet another Z06. This is the Z07 package. So it is pretty cool to see the two cars. You have a vibrant blue with the big wing, carbon splitters, and then you have the toned down version on your left-hand side. So what we're going to do right now actually is show you what we have done with this one, how it looks like. So let's go ahead and pop open the trunk. So that one is a coupe, while this one is a convertible. So as you can see, your Eventuri intake looks beautiful with the 91mm throttle bodies. You have your Fabspeed high flow cats paired with a Fabspeed exhaust as well, valved. So this one, what this one has is like, I was saying, it's using the factory mufflers in exhaust. It just has the high flow cats, and he swapped out the tips to blue, so titanium to tie in with the car itself. Let me show you how this one looks like. So this guy with the coupe, you get a little more of the engine. You can see what's going on in there. He's also running the Eventuri intakes on this one. Tons and tons of carbon fiber. So there you go there. Let's see what Mr. Tony has on his. Yeah, there you go. But he's also got a carbon fiber engine cover as well. So as you can see there, you get a little glimpse at the motor. We'll go ahead and close it down. And what we're going to do right now is, like I said, we're just going to do an exhaust comparison. We're going to use our phone as a decibel reader, compare what this car sounded like before the high flow cats and now after, and just for giggles, just see what the difference is between these two. So Fabspeed full exhaust, and this is just high flow cats. All right, so as you can see right there, these cars, even though they're the same exact motors, but given the difference in exhaust, they sound slightly different. This one sounds a little bit more higher pitched, I almost want to say. And the decibel reading for that one ahead, I believe is like a 122, correct me if I'm wrong in the video, but that one for sure is a little bit louder. It hit 127 and pretty much consistently at 126. So a little bit louder, a little bit more of a deeper rumble to it. And then this one's a little bit more higher pitch. I think the biggest difference that we're gonna see between the two vehicles is actually when you're driving and it's under load. So with that being said, I wanna say thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Two Z06s, work that we have done before. That one's wrapped in XPEL. This one is fully wrapped as well. Both great clients of ours. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Leave a comment, like, share it. Take care. Bye-bye.